Discover a soothing, simple way to enjoy the benefits of CBD with a perfect cup of hemp tea. Start by choosing high-quality CBD hemp flowers, leaves, or tea bags, ideally organic, lab-tested, and from a trusted retailer. Gather your tea, a teapot or cup, hot water, and if you're using flowers, a grinder. Heat water to just below boiling. Grind flowers if needed, then steep your tea for 5 to 10 minutes. For better CBD absorption, add a little coconut oil or butter. Sweeten with honey, brighten with lemon, or add spices like cinnamon for a cozy twist. Serve hot, relax, and savor the earthy, calming notes of your CBD tea. For premium organic CBD hemp teas, visit the CBD Flower Shop and explore our full range.